EDBL stock analysis and EDBL stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Edible Garden AG Incorporated stock, it's an overall 14% increase in price. The price just kept melting down. Before I get into this further, I have spent thousands on courses and mentors over the last 4 years, documented all of it on my YouTube channel. With EDBL specifically, that's how my chart looks like. Now, this might not be your typical bullish idea, right? What this means is that if I see a second break beneath 16 cents, I'm taking things lower. Because the correction has been happening, like, I get it, like this crazy buy, right? People made a lot of money here from 15 to around 55. But yeah, I was not there to catch it. Unfortunately, the higher time frame idea, and just from my previous 36,000 videos experience, I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've made 36,000 videos. You can see how much I've done. But if I see a second break beneath these lows, I'm taking things lower. I'm telling you, like a short sell. So I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.